Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, it is you with Shuri Makeup on another beginners friendly makeup tutorial. So to start, we need eyebrow gel to lay your brow hair and to help your eyebrows last longer, eyebrow pencil to fill in the eyebrows, especially where you have little or no brow hair, some concealer to conceal your eyebrows with, to clean your eyebrows, some foundation to even out your skin tone, some concealer to brighten my under eye, a little bit on my forehead, allow it to set a little bit, then I blend. Blend on my forehead. While it's setting, I go ahead with some blush and we melt it in. Right now, I'll go ahead with this Sunscarp liquid contour to contour my face. Blending in my forehead with it. And of course, below my chin. Also contour my nose. Setting powder. Setting powder to set my whole face. Some powder blush to add more warmth to my face. Some brown eyeshadow to give color to my eyelids. Gel eyeliner. To create a base for my eyelashes to sit. A dark pencil to line my lips. Some clear concealer. Some pink lipstick here. So yeah, this is the finished look.